Programming 301, Lesson 2, Animated Motion. In this lesson, we have a couple new blocks we're going to be working with. If on edge bounce, that makes the actor change direction if they touch the edge of the screen. That way you can keep them on the screen. Playing a sound effect or a short tune, and showing a message on the screen. We have two new vocabulary words. Animation. Animation is changing the costumes, which are just pictures, of an actor many times to give the illusion of movement. And a costume is just a different appearance for an actor, such as poses used in the character's animation. And the characters we have some built-in ones that we're going to be using in this game. The introduction is just going to walk you through what you'll be working on for this level. The concepts is going to be a video that's going to walk you through the three concepts you're going to cover in this lesson. So you need to make sure to watch that. It's going to talk about actors, costumes, and the code blocks that you're going to be working with. In stage 3 for a scene, you will be following step-by-step directions to program a knight to walk back and forth in a forest. In 4, Get to the Treasure, you're going to program a knight to walk until it reaches a treasure chest. In Train the Knight, you're going to program the knight to attack. And I want you to think about which code block will make the animation play over and over again. And what should the wait block be set to make it look realistic? Number 6, Treasure Run. It's a puzzle, so you're going to be working with getting the Valkyrie and the knight to reach the treasure without running into any obstacles or enemies. In Monster Mash, you're going to be programming a dance party with music and animated characters. Make sure you're using the provided code in step 3 to animate the zombie, the Valkyrie, and the knight actor. The actor should say something, each one should say something different. So the zombie could use brains, the Valkyrie or the knight could say something about fighting or being awesome or whatever. And then there is a quiz, but no game that you need to complete at the end of this level. If you would like a little extra at the end of this lesson, you could go and create some realistic natural environments using Tinker. To do this, I would have you go over to My Projects, create a new project, and then just do a blank block project. You could then go in and find some of the natural looking landscapes that they have. So if we go to the media library, you can go find some backgrounds. Here's like a volcanic meadow, an island. I like this one, sunset dunes. And then go find some actors in the media library to make it look more realistic. So I might add, maybe I'll make a mirage out in this desert. There's just so many things in here. You just got to dig around. Maybe you find a lion out in here. You'll see that my pieces are starting to get stuck behind. You can go and change the layer and move this all the way to the back. That way you can then see what you're working with. I'm trying to get him resized. Come here, lion. I need my arrow to change. There we go. Put a lion here in my desert. And just make a scene. So that's if you want a little something extra.